How to set up SoFi bank account for beginners. If this is your first time trying to create an account of SoFi online, in this video let me show you the steps that you will need to follow. Now either you can follow these steps on the mobile app of SoFi, or you can also open up the website and search for SoFi.com and you will land on the official website. Once you're on the website, tap on the three lines on the top right, top left, head over to products and then head over to banking. Select the type of bank account that you're trying to create, and then right here you'll be able to see the option which says open an account. Just tap on the option and then you'll need to start filling in all of the information that is needed. Now before you get started, make sure you have your details intact, such as your social security number, your identity verification, so that you can verify your identity within this platform. So as I said, you just need to fit in all the information that is needed or that is asked in the section. Start off by adding in your name, your state, your email and your password that you will be using in order to sign into your account once your account has been successfully created. You can log into your account using either the website as well as the mobile banking application. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.